So she's looking fresh. It's time to get these bricks out of the car and get this wall done. How perfect is this going to work out? I'm going to obviously start the next block from here to half, then another one, and I need to just get maybe 1 or 2 more, but at least I can get this first row down, get a few bricks in there, fill it up as well, fill them up as well with concrete, and then that's the first layer done. Then once that's, well, I don't have to wait for that to dry, I'll just pour some more on that and put them on top. So yeah, let's get the rest of the bricks out and then I can start getting the mix on. Ground is prepped. We have our mix going in the mixer. It's almost ready. So I'm just gonna add a little tiny bit more cement to it. A tiny little bit of sand just to thicken it up a bit. But it's starting to look good. So I'm just gonna do 1 more sand and a small bit of cement and it should be ready for the wall. Now, as you can see, I'm no bricklayer, but it's up. I'm gonna get the capping off that, stick this capping up and get that done. But yeah, almost done. Right guys, I call that success. I'm gonna knock that bit of concrete off, then I'm obviously gonna skim this and paint it, but I leveled out the ground and she's looking nice and smooth so I can drive the cars over. This is a foundation, so this is getting knocked out all the way across. I still need to take the wall down from here up. So obviously I'm gonna cut the wall, as you can see, cut the wall straight up and just push it. I'll pick it up from that side. I don't, obviously not gonna knock it down from this side, but we'll push that wall back, get rid of all the rubble, obviously maybe smash it up and put it into the base of that. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, we're getting there guys. That's the wall done. Now all I need to do is get the fence back up, straighten that bit, get it as far as I can, and then join into it on the wall, see what way it works out. But I need to get a bit more capping for here. So I'm going to put cap in here, then I'm going to build like a little flower box in here for the neighbour, fill it up with soil, make it look really nice, break all this up, put it in the bottom of it and fill it up with soil. It'll look good. But yeah, it's starting to get there. Just washing out that bad boy. I'll just wash that out, just keep it all tidy. So yeah, once that wall is gone, I can tidy up all this crap. And if you walk back here, there's actually a nice, shut up seagulls, look at them animals, seagulls, noisy shits. But yeah, there's a nice big open space there now to drive straight in with the Mini and any other car that I can fit in. I was thinking I can gain another 2 or 3 inches by trimming this, because that overhangs, it literally overhangs my fingers, and that can make a difference, especially to a woman, because they give out about inches. But that can that can make a difference to a bigger car getting in the garden. So I can just get the console and run it right down to like here, just bring it in a curve, run it straight down. But yeah, I'm really happy with the wall. It's still curving a little bit, but I had to do it. I couldn't get it past that tree. I didn't want to take up another tree stump, so it's big enough of a gap. So it's just this bit of the wall that needs to go, and then we can get the base in, the concrete base in, and then we can start slabbing, and then we can start building up the garage. I need to cut down them trees all behind before I build up, and then do this flower bed for the neighbour. But yeah, that's it. So I am officially Bob the Builder, literally self-build, doing everything myself. Didn't think I could build a wall, and look, Donald Trump I am now Donald Trump, building my own wall. So yeah, give the video a like, subscribe, give it a comment, and yeah, share around. I really do appreciate any subscribers I get. So yeah, peace out, see you in the next one, and be dedicated. Peace.